Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first sit down talk video, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys everything I made in 2025. So before we get into it, I'm going to give you like a little backstory of how I got into crochet. I started crocheting on and off in 2023 of September, and the only things I made were beanies. I made this blue one. This was very nice. Then I made this one, the two-tone colored beanie. This was like my first beanie I made. Then I made this one. I really like this one. I tried the two-colored beanie again, and I made this from a remaining yarn I used to make like a cardigan. So these are the only beanies I made at that time. Then I stopped crocheting, and this year 2025 I started crocheting again August 7th, and somebody asked for me to create something for her, like a commission base for a beach set. This is the inspo here, and this is what I made. And after that I went back into crochet, and my first project was this top right here. I don't currently have it here with me because I unraveled it, because I noticed that DK yarns are thicker than fingering weight yarn, and the cut was kind of thick here, and I didn't really like it, so I unraveled it. And I was thinking of doing it again, but with a different yarn and maybe a different yarn color. So the second project I made was this top right here. This is the killer top that I made, and if you check the images here I put up on the screen, this was like the second top I made, and I was really excited with this top. And that top was also used with a DK weight yarn, but I'm still going to keep it because I like the thickness, and since it has no like actual sleeve, it's actually breathable. The next one I made was this hexagon cardigan. I don't even know if you call it hexagon cardigan, but this cardigan, I made this one. I've been meaning to make it for a very long time, and yeah, this was like my third project that I made, and I was really excited about the project. Then I made a beanie for a friend for her birthday. I have the images here. I don't have it with me because I've given it away. Yeah, my next project was this bag. So I saw this bag on Instagram and I really liked it, so I decided to make one to see how it will be. And what is just left is to put like lining inside the bag, and I really liked it. I doubled my yarn to make it like thicker and firmer, but it was really nice. And also the hand, I used Tunisian crochet style to do the hand, and see, it's very seamless and very nice. I really like it. Then what was my next project? Oh yeah, my next project was this one. It was this keychain. So somebody wanted this heart keychain kind of thing, but I couldn't find the accessories to make the keychain, so I made the back charm instead in black and white for her, and I made another version just for me to have. And this color, I made two, but right now I can't find the second one. So that was like the next project I made. And after that, oh, I also made this one. So after the key charm, I made this bag, but it's not yet complete. This hibiscus bag right here. So what is left is to add the strap. I've added the strap on the first side, but the back part I haven't added the strap. Then I have to add lining, because since I'm using like a DK with yarn, it's not strong enough, it's still soft. So it's like a tote bag, and I really like it. So that's it. And oh, my next project was this bag. This bag was very nice, but the yarn became hairy, like it became like fuzzy kind of thing. But I like the bag, and I think I'm going to remake it, and this time I'm going to use a different yarn, maybe yarn that doesn't do this fuzzy thingy. Okay, so this is the bag, and it's really nice. I made it to go out with the first top I made that I unraveled, but since I unraveled the top, it's just there. And I also need to put like lining inside. Yeah, then I made this bag. I was trying to make this African motif bag. I saw it on Pinterest and I wanted to recreate it, but it's like very soft. So because I use like a DK yarn and just like that, I still don't know what is the right yarn to use for bags to make it not soft. Yeah, see, I haven't figured that out. So I need to put lining for this one and maybe like a button or something to close it so my things doesn't fall out. So that's why I've still not used this one. This is what it looks like. I wanted to give this to a friend, but since there's no lining inside yet, I'm still holding on to it. Then, oh, I found the second bag charm. So this is what it looks like. So this is both of them. And I really like this dark blue. Okay, and this top, I was following a YouTube tutorial to make this top. This was made by, I think, Granny Gracia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right, but I'll put it up on the screen. So I was doing the top when the yarn finished, and see, I still have a lot of stitch markers, and I haven't done the sleeves, and also I need to go like one round for the neck. So that's why this one is still there. And okay, yeah. Then I did this bag. I was trying to do the egg, the donut or the egg, but I don't know what it's called. I forgot the name. But I'll put it up on the screen, and the inspiration I saw on Pinterest. I was trying to make it, but the color combination didn't turn out well. So yeah. And this was also a DK yarn that I doubled. I didn't even double it. I think I did like 4 of it to make it this thick, because that at that time I haven't found like any t-shirt yarns here, so I just doubled it to see how it goes and everything. But I'm thinking of recreating this bag again. I may pair it up with the top I want to make for Valentine. So then I oh yeah, let me show you this one. Then I made this top. This top was like a tutorial from Shenda DIY, and I really like this top. This was like the first top that I used cotton. I think I used cotton sprouts yarn. But the problem about the yarn is that it does this fuzzy thing and these red links everywhere. But it's breathable, it's nice and easy to wear in summer and things like that. Yeah, but I think I need to change and not use cotton sprouts because it keeps on giving me these fuzzy things everywhere. So I think that's everything. I didn't make much. Okay, yeah, the last one I made was this one. This is very big. I made it for my sister for Christmas, but I still need to like adjust a few things. But I tried to make the tie front cardigan, and I will just add the image here because it's very big to raise up. I'm thinking of adding another tie in stuff at the top of the cardigan and one a little bit down of the cardigan so that it stays well. But this is what it looks like. And that was the last thing I made for 2025. I was literally pulling an all-nighter to get this done by the 25th of December. Yeah, by the 25th of December it was done. So that's it, guys. That is everything I made for 2025. It's not much, but yeah, I really liked it. I really liked going back to crochet, and I'm thinking of taking it seriously this year and crochet a lot, post a lot, and try new things, find new yarns. And I'm also thinking of releasing a crochet pattern, hopefully, if I can find the materials I need. And I need to also learn new crochet techniques in order to get what I'm looking for. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.